David Marison, OSU Extension Educator for Agriculture for Coshocton County, and I have been here since last September. The trial we have here is part of the boots on the ground research, which is part of the research that Dr. Laura Lindsay from the Ohio State University is working on. And we were just very pleased that Jason and everybody here at Lap Farms agreed to be a partner in some of this research, looking at differences on soybean production.
Jason Massey here in Coshocton County. We farm about 2,700 acres throughout the county. Corn and beans rotation. I think it was back in February we ran across this eFields, and we thought, well, we've often wondered what goes into the data. We contacted David Marison, our OSU extension agent, and that's kind of where it went from there.
Two treatments. The first treatment would be an early plant, lower population at 130,000 seeds per acre, and then coming back with an insecticide, fungicide spray at the R3 stage later in the summer, which here, based on the planting date that we had, was sprayed the week of July 15th. And then the second planting happened 1 month exactly after the initial, and that was more of a typical planting population. It was 160,000 seeds per acre, and with no insecticide or fungicide. So it'll be pretty much the same kind of cost, so it'll be interesting what the yield comes out as we hit the fall.
On-farm testing for us has been something that we've done for as long as I've been around here.
It's about money. To me, it's all about money. And if there's any little tweak that you can do in the pipeline to make you more profit per acre, I think those are things that we need to explore as farmers to see if they actually work in the conditions and the soils of where we actually farm.
We were lucky to get this study in this year. The weather was trying to work against us, but Jason and Lap Farms were able to pull through for the completion of the study. The yield data for this study is 60 bushels per acre for the enhanced system treatment. These plots were planted in early May at 130,000 population and treated with fungicide and insecticide. The standard system yielded 56 bushels per acre. These plots were planted in late May at 160,000 population without any fungicide or insecticide treatment. The yield results are not significantly different from each other. The economics of this study reveal what is really important to agriculture. The enhanced system returned $452 per acre, while the standard system only returned $435.
You have to take time to find that best yield.
It's not easy, but it is worth it.
The weather was really harsh, but we won't let that get us down. The trials will go on.
Interested in learning more about this study and others? Be sure to check out the OSU Digital Ag website listed on the screen for your copy of the 2019 eFields Guide.